Sustainable or green architecture focuses on creating buildings that minimize environmental impact, enhance energy efficiency, and promote the health and well-being of occupants. This architectural approach emerged in the late 20th century as a response to growing concerns about climate change, resource depletion, and the environmental impact of conventional construction methods. Below is an overview of significant buildings and developments in sustainable origins of sustainable architecture. The Edge, Amsterdam, Netherlands, completed in 2014, designed by PLP Architecture and developed by OVG Real Estate. The Edge is an office building that incorporates cutting-edge sustainable technologies. The building features a solar roof, energy-efficient systems, and a smart grid that optimizes energy use. Its design promotes collaboration and well-being, with ample natural light and green spaces. The Bullitt Center, Washington, USA, completed in 2013, often referred to as the greenest commercial building in the world. This office space is designed to meet the Living Building Challenge, a rigorous sustainability certification. The Bullitt Center features a solar array, rainwater harvesting, composting toilets, and natural ventilation systems. Its design emphasizes energy efficiency and promotes a healthy indoor environment, serving as a model for future sustainable developments. Mature sustainable architecture. Dulwich College, London, completed in 1999. Designed by the architecture firm Shepherd Robson. This building is notable for its eco-friendly features, including a green roof, natural ventilation, and the use of sustainably sourced materials. The design emphasizes the integration of nature and education, providing students with a healthy and inspiring learning environment. One Central Park, Sydney, Australia, completed in 2014. Designed by architect Frank Gehry. This residential complex features vertical gardens and extensive green spaces. One Central Park integrates sustainable design principles with passive solar heating, rainwater harvesting, and energy-efficient systems. The development promotes biodiversity and enhances the urban environment, contributing to a more sustainable city. California Academy of Sciences, San Francisco, California, completed in 2008. Designed by Renzo Piano. This museum features a living roof, natural ventilation, and energy-efficient systems. The building's design emphasizes sustainability and education, creating a space that fosters awareness of environmental issues while providing a unique visitor experience. Late sustainable architecture. Bosco Verticale, also called Vertical Forest, Milan, Italy, completed in 2014. Designed by Stefano Bori. This residential tower features numerous balconies adorned with trees and plants, creating a vertical forest that enhances biodiversity and air quality. Bosco Verticale represents a significant advancement in sustainable urban living, integrating nature into high-density environments and promoting the concept of green cities. The Spheres, Seattle, Washington, completed in 2018. Designed by NBBJ. The Spheres are a unique workspace that integrates nature into the office environment. The structures feature a biophilic design, with thousands of plants from around the world and a focus on natural light and ventilation. The Spheres exemplify the growing trend of incorporating green spaces into urban architecture to enhance well-being and productivity. The Living Building at Georgia Tech, Atlanta, Georgia, USA, completed in 2015. This building is designed to meet the Living Building Challenge, featuring sustainable elements such as a rainwater harvesting system, solar panels, and natural ventilation. The design promotes an interactive learning experience, allowing students to engage with sustainable technologies and practices firsthand. Key architectural features of sustainable buildings are designed to reduce energy consumption through passive design strategies, such as maximizing natural light, utilizing thermal mass, and incorporating high-performance insulation and windows. Renewable energy. Many sustainable buildings integrate renewable energy sources, such as solar panels and wind turbines, to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and lower carbon emissions. Water conservation. Sustainable architecture often includes rainwater harvesting systems, greywater recycling, and water-efficient fixtures to minimize water use and promote sustainable Water management. Sustainable materials. The use of environmentally friendly materials, such as recycled, reclaimed, or sustainably sourced products, is a hallmark of sustainable architecture. Reducing the ecological footprint of construction. Indoor environmental quality. Sustainable buildings prioritize the health and well-being of occupants by incorporating natural ventilation, daylighting, and non-toxic materials to create healthy indoor environments. Conclusion: sustainable architecture has evolved into a vital approach that addresses the environmental challenges of the modern world. From its roots in the 1970s to the innovative designs of today, sustainable buildings reflect a commitment to reducing ecological impact, enhancing the quality of life for occupants, and promoting social responsibility. As awareness of climate change and environmental issues continues to grow, sustainable architecture will play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of our built environment. Architects and designers are continually exploring new technologies and design strategies to create buildings that are not only environmentally responsible, but also beautiful and functional, contributing to a more sustainable future for all. Let me know in the comments which sustainable architecture structure is your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more architectural adventures.